Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to permanently delete Messenger account. It's very easy. Watch. To do this, you go into the app, and you open Chats. Then at the top, you'll see 3 bars. You click on them. Now you click on the settings icon. Now you just go down to the bottom. And you click on See More in Account Center. Now you go down to the bottom and click on Personal Details. And click on Deactivation or Deletion. And click on Facebook account. And click on the second option, Delete our account. And click Continue. Confirm the information. And click Continue. And select here the reason why we want to delete the account. Continue. Look, if you go to delete Messenger account, Facebook will also be deleted. These apps are interconnected, and you won't be able to delete one or the other. So if you don't want to delete the Facebook account, you can't delete Messenger either. Then you just enter your password and confirm the deletion. After that, the account will be deleted. As you can see, this is a very easy and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.